Happy Sunday. I just got ready for church and the girls are still sleeping. To be at church in an hour and 30 minutes. Our Sunday school class this morning is supposed to bring breakfast. We were just going all day yesterday and I didn't even think about it. So this is what we have this morning and we're just gonna dump them in here. But I'll probably wait till closer to time so they don't dry out. I got these from Target, Legendary. They just have a lot of protein in them, so I thought it would be like a good snack for the girls or a good breakfast. This looks so sad.
Person, we don't go in the pantry.
I'm ready. Girls, it's super cold. Let Mama take one at a time.
Play Wheels on the Bus.
All right, we're at church.